I was wondering if it's going to go for 88 or 85. 67. 67. He didn't even break the speed limit. That's what I was asking about at dinner time. If he didn't go fast enough in the quarter to break the speed limit.
I don't think he made it to fourth.
Hey, you talking about me?
Yeah.
Hey, I heard that. Look, in my defense, it was full of our luggage.
That's what it was. We were like, why do I have a helmet on?
Well, I had a lot of thoughts. I had a lot of time.
But you were able to make that first turn off real easy.
Yeah, I was looking for an earlier one. But, I was looking for one like 1,400 feet, actually. Like, what if they have one?
He owns the bacon. That's your normal Astro van.
I can put all of our kids in it.
Put all the kids in it? What if it's faster than a Camaro? Maybe we should just do a van.
Dad. Hi. I thought it was
Free showers in Gainesville. He wants your signature too.
Mine?
Yeah. No pressure.
On the left side, the Camaro has probably coasted to a 15.
It's a beautiful Camaro.
Thank you.
He says it's a new build?
It is.
Oh god, that's funny. Like,
boy.
okay, let's do our well, I'm gonna do my day one sick week
Do you
recap.
know what your camera looks like right now? Like, what if you were just getting like just your logo in there?
I bet I'm not. I'll pause this and I'll take a look. Oh, Megan's gonna try to sneak a picture of my phone to see how my angle looks.
I can't get an angle of
right.
your phone.
All right, now the dispute of the camera angle is settled. Day one sick week recap from sick ward. It is 7 p.m. and about 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and the track has been deemed too unsafe. And today was filled with a lot of downtime. A lot of racers are not making it to day two, and there was a mishap with one of the guys in like the 5-second attempting club. Looked like he lost tire pretty good around the 8th mile and tried to save it. And he's good. He's good, but the car is not so good. So I think he's wrapping up for the weekend. But by the time that was cleaned up, it was way too cold, and we are now watching the rest of our pit mates we're going to be traveling with. We're watching them get all their stuff wrapped up, ready to go. We've been staying kind of hands off on it just because we're not a part of the racing group, and I know racers can help racers, but we didn't want to add any subjective criticism from if anybody's viewing what they had going on. So we're keeping our distance as if they have the plague because it's sick week. We are now getting ready to go drive up to Adele, Georgia, which is going to be about 2.5 hour journey
Like my
with the checkpoint.
least
And
interesting
then
place.
we got to get some food. And then hopefully we're in the hotel room by 11, 12 o'clock.
Yeah, that's what Tess was saying too. She's like, oh, I bet we can make it to the hotel by midnight. I was like, I don't care. I just want food.
Yeah, food's a good one.
Food.
So this is about to be our longest nonstop drive we've ever taken in the Camaro, in the ZL1.
Yeah.
We've never driven it nonstop-ish this long.
Are you nervous?
I mean, I kind of wish I had newer tires on it. This right rear tire's got a little bit of a vibration to it. I'm selling it. We're not going to have any issues. We're golden. Good to go. One thing we got to worry about is putting gas in it.
I can do that.
Well, I'm passenger, so that means I got to give up either gas, grass, or ass. And I ain't got no ass to give.
You don't.
So that's all on you. We actually didn't watch a ton of the racing today. We just kind of hung out in the pits. We did watch, I think we've been watching this about 2 o'clock on. And
We watched here and there. I saw Alex make her pass.
yeah.
Watched
No
Jeff.
5-second passes today.
No, none.
None. There are a couple cars that may be able to still pull off a 5-second average, but they got to go like a 522 or sorry 622. I think was the fastest for today from Mr. Bailey. So Jeff Lutz is pulling out because he didn't go 5 today. So he said if I can't go a 5-second average, I'm gonna save it for the next one. So he's bouncing with that car. The Corvette that just tapped the wall, he was a possible 5-second car. I think he went a 28 earlier today. And if this pass would have gone good and he would have gotten close, then he may be able to dip into the 5s later on, especially when we get into the warmer tracks when the surface is better. Everybody else though, there's a lot of there are some crazy cool builds. It's like, do you come out, I mean, really the mindset's definitely not to come out and just like obliterate everybody else. It's just to come out, be unique, and have fun.
I think that's where you're gonna have a problem
With me?
I think it's gonna be great because it's gonna get your brain going and you're gonna get really creative, and I think that's gonna be awesome, especially for the channel and for growth. But I'm afraid that competitive racing side's gonna come out, and you're not gonna be conservative like a lot of these people, and like, you know, the end plan is to, you know, go to all the places, right?
Yeah.
I feel like your end plan is just to go the fastest pass ever at every track. But you won't look at it that way. You'll only look at it like one track at a time. So that you might make one track, you might make 3 tracks, you might make no tracks.
So your bet is that I'm not
You get
finishing.
too competitive and you blow her up. You get too greedy. Ooh, I like that. You get too greedy and you blow her up. I think I'll finish it. I have a back seat, don't worry. You can finish it with me.
That's if your passenger seat isn't filled.
Yeah, I don't know. It'd be kind of cool to do this by myself.
Would it now?
Just throw some music on.
1,000 miles to yourself.
Ooh, I don't know.
I mean, you can ignore that I'm even here.
I think that would give me too much time to be in my head, wouldn't it?
Yeah, we would have we'd have fights in your head without me even being a part of the argument.
Yeah, we'd meet up at a gas station and you'd be like, what the?
Yeah, totally unfair. Well, with that in mind, I will give you a chance to drive with your thoughts and your music, and I will just roll over here and take a nap.
I don't care. When have I ever cared? When have you ever not taken a nap while I've been driving?
First, I have the steering wheel heater on.
I don't want it on.
Don't want sweaty palms?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Well, my hands are cold, so then if they get really hot too fast, then they're gonna like burn. You don't ever, like, your hands don't ever get super cold, and then when you go to warm them up, they're just like on fire?
Well, I mean, yeah, if I use water. But like touching something warm, I don't think I've ever noticed that.
I'm just touching something.
So anyways, what today has taught me for sick week is do the best you can on the one opportunity you get for sure. And don't bank on getting more than one pass a day.
Just in case.
Just in case. Because in this situation, it was temperature. In another situation, it could be rain or moisture. So definitely gotta do it to it. And you know what I don't know? Is I don't know what the clause is. If it's like a rain out or like weather dependent, like does the track day just not count towards your average? So you don't get a benefit, you don't get the advantage of either improving or hurting your average, maybe.
That's
Anyways,
not a me question.
I'll have to reread the rules on that, but okay. Well, that's it for my day.
It seems short, sweet, and to the point, huh?
I think so.
Yeah.
All right. Old square body getting it done on the air. Oh, that's rough.
The wind?
No, I mean, yeah, it is, but trans brake failure, and then the other car
Yeah.
just sitting on the chip. So nobody's going to get a good run here. Get in there.
That's what she said.
Do something cool. Do a wheelie. Let's see if Jeff Lutz goes into the fives. $10,000 bounty if you can do it, and then finish sick week.
The average is another 5.
There's another, yeah, if you can average a whole 5 the whole time, it's another 10.